So manufacturing in Pennsylvania, it means a lot to me. There's not a lot of big companies here, and one of the big things I want to do is create opportunity in my community. And manufacturing really gives us that chance to provide good paying jobs, steady jobs for people in the community. My name is Will Fennell. I'm the owner of Xcelicut Precision Machining. I started the business in 2019. So when I started Xcelicut, it was just me. I started with 2 machines. We developed our apprentice program alongside the local chapter, the NTMA. We've seen huge success with our first employee who went through the program. He went from someone who had never worked in a CNC machine shop before to 3 years later is programming and setting up a pretty complex machinery. I have nothing but good things to say about the apprenticeship program, and we're definitely going to keep sending people through that pipeline. From there, I knew I wanted to focus on automation. That's why I started the business. And we found that, the lathes just kind of suited themselves better. With the bar feeder, we could run parts complete in one operation and have them continuously loading, even when somebody wasn't there, unattended in the evening, or even during the day while somebody was working on another machine. That, combined with the type of work that we were seeing from our customer base, led us to focus exclusively on precision turn parts. So when I think about the future of Xcelicut, I just think about modernization and automation. We really want to use the best technology to produce parts as efficiently as possible. I first started working with LNS when we bought a new Doosan lathe, and it came with the LNS chip conveyor. We had a fantastic experience. I'd heard horror stories from other people about different chip conveyors that had issues. We have had this machine running for almost 5 years now, and we have never had a single problem with that chip conveyor. From there on, we just started adding more pieces of LNS equipment. Every chip conveyor on every machine that we have is LNS. We started adding LNS bar feeders. We've had fantastic success with the Alpha SL65. We have 3 express 12-foot bar loaders on our Swiss machines. And I know moving forward, we will only partner with LNS for bar feeders and chip conveyors. If I had any advice to give to young entrepreneurs who are starting a machine shop, I would say definitely try and find a niche. Since we've focused on a specific area, we have seen incredible growth in the business. It's a fantastic time to get into the industry. There's so much opportunity right now, and our country definitely needs a strong manufacturing base.